make genuine money, my guys, if you make genuine money, every woman will respect you. If she no respect you, just kick her out of the way. Just find some place, push her, go put. Then you find another one. Girls dey plenty. Get this mentality. No woman with a disrespectful woman, Charlie. Girl wey e dey see im body, wey no wan respect. If e be your woman, how you go deal with such a woman? Or you marry some lady, after you marry am finish, you realize say she be very disrespectful. Yeah, in attitude and in life all no good. What you for do, my guy, you no be any other trick than I go tell you say, don't close your eyes on her bad behaviors. You dey understand? Anytime she go do anything wey e be wrong, correct her instantly. You dey understand? You know, be say you go correct her in the harsh way, or you go correct her by fighting her and doing all kind of unnecessary things. No, just make she know say what she do you no like, wey you no be happy about. She for never do that thing again. We have so many ways of punishing somebody. We have so many ways of going about it. Me, the best way I take to punish my woman, my mother, anybody wey e dey my life inside, wey e do anything wey e worry me, wey I feel say, this thing e worry me. What the best punishment I will give you, say I will just take my walk. I will just live your life with you. I no go talk to you again. I no go near you again. You're nothing they concern me. You dey understand? I just take my peace, my attention, my everything I dey give you. Where you dey disrespect me because of I dey give you my time. Charlie, I'll just carry my time, put for my pocket, then go my house. This be the best way to punish anybody. You no need say you go slap am. You no need say you go hit am. If you the woman dey, where you know say this girl, you dey love am. You know say this girl, you won't be with am. You know say, Charlie, you people get future together, but the girl be disrespectful. Charlie, now I will tell you the truth. Never dey close your eyes on anything where you go do, where it be disrespectful like. You dey understand? If she do the thing, just correct them instantly. If you see say some ladies, they are ready to change. They are ready to accept their faults and their mistakes. So immediately she do the thing where you see say she go find any ways and means then apologize. If it's such women me they want, we don't understand. If you do that, as you say, you make ready say you won't go, you make ready say you won't learn, I will be with you, I will correct you, I will teach you, I will train you to become whatever me I want you to become. We don't understand. To become the best perfect woman me I want. We don't understand. But if you stay with me, where I realize say you be disrespectful, where I call you down, I try talk to you, I try change you, but you don't bring your mind. Charlie, what am I waiting for? I leave you long time. I leave you long time, go chase another woman. See, you know how plenty beautiful girls date town when they search man. What if they need baby say, you for work hard, make money, you for always the work, you for always get something where they bring you money. You dey understand? That's why they always tell you guys, say, make you guys they focus on your ambitions, make you guys they focus on your goals. If that one will give you money, always think about money. Let your hobby be hard work and money. You dey understand? Work hard, don't go steal, don't go rob, don't go do any illegal thing where you go let problem go come your side. But Charlie, hustle the genuine way and make genuine money. My guys, if you make genuine money, every woman will respect you. If she no respect you, just kick her out of the way. Just find some place, push her, go put. Then you find another one. Girls dey plenty. Get this mentality. No woman will full plus you. Charlie, boss will be the name, aka the ghetto youth motivator. If you like whatever I tell you, Charlie, my guy. I know they like. I know they want likes. I know they want make you like my video. No. See, share, give your guy. You dey understand? Share, give your guy. Make him to watch, then you know in value. We men, the world be our own. You dey understand? Women just dey help us make we enjoy one world inside. So there is no way we for become slaves for one woman. My guy, the other way you go deal with her to be say you go have other options. See, women know they want something where it belong to them, something where they feel say they work for, where it be their own. Then somebody they can't carry and go just like that. You dey understand? Immediately she start the disrespectful lives wey you talk to her she no wan change about am, start dey look for other options, start dey get another girls, if possible start dating 2, 3, 4 girls. You dey understand? Make she know say competition come inside. Right now somebody make ready to take you away. You dey understand? And see what will happen. If still she no change, then quickly you just leave her, then you go for other ones, because there are plenty beautiful, sexy, wonderful girls out there looking for a wonderful guy like you. Charlie man guy, don't kill yourself. How to deal with a disrespectful girl be say you go just walk away, you go just walk, you go just leave her, you go live in life, give her, go far away from her, don't come closer again. See, some ladies be toxic, you dey understand? Dem upbringing be bad, they no train them well, some too dey train them themselves no take. You dey understand? E no be you for kill yourself for her. Plenty wonderful girls dey out there. See, if she no make ready to do whatever she can to be in your life, the world be you your own man guy. She dey help you to enjoy the world. So if she no make ready to make things that go make you happy as a man, what are you waiting for? Charlie, run for your life. Leave her, live in life, give am. Just leave her and go find another girls. Girls dey plenty. Get this mentality. But slow, pam.